Alright lads, I'm in work and someone has just asked me what's your dream goal in life, and I replied to own an Evo and to comfortably afford it. Now it's a bit of a random start to the video, but it just made me think. A lot of people asked me to do a Q&A, so I'm going to do a Q&A for the next video. So if you've got anything to ask me, leave a comment and ask the question on this video, and in the next video I'll try to answer every question. Obviously I've got to keep it within an hour, so depending on how many questions I'll get, I'll try to answer every single one, lads. Onto the video.
Mate!
Yeah, lads. Right then, lads. It's 2018. Happy New Year. Of course, I'm feeling fresh, and of course, a lot of you at the time of recording this video aren't feeling so fresh. I didn't go out last night. I'm too addicted to the YouTube game. But we got a fun video, something different. Now, Daniel Nerdin, and a lot of you know him, is the guy with the Astra with the purple wheels, but they've not got purple wheels anymore, and he didn't really have an Astra anymore, but he got it back. Well, he didn't really get it back. But he's doing something mad, alright? He's doing something mad. First of all, he went to the mad extreme, getting Land Rover wheels on an Astra. And then he went even more mad at painting them Cadbury purple. Copying me when I had purple wheels on my Fiesta, but, you know. But he's getting his whole car resprayed in a colour which I've never seen in my life, never mind seeing on a car. But he's dropping his car off today with Tim, Autocross Restorations. I've talked about it before. He's dropping him off today. I'm going with him. I'm not sure how much he's going to get done today, but I'm going to update the whole process with you lads. I'm going to pop in throughout the week, record, see how he's getting on, and I'm so excited to see the final product. Like, I can't believe what it's going to look like. We finally gave Maya a clean yesterday.
She's looking pretty again. Looking really pretty again. And we cleaned the inside, which was needed. Lovely.
Thing is, right lads, we said 12, it's now 12:30, and he's still not ready. Said he was, come on Dan, come on lad. Efficiency is key, mate. Okay, I can't be asked waiting lads. I'm going down to Tim's now. Have a catch up. Thought I forgot my keys then. And maybe have a little conversation about spraying Maya. Maybe. Should have seen all the hungover people in the cars, like. Man's feeling fresh. This is why I don't drink, lads. Don't like it. Feel fresh. Make the most out of the day.
Oh, he's not even here.
He's not even bloody here. I'm gonna go for eating Mackies in the car now. I didn't want to do that because we just cleaned it yesterday.
There he is. Going slow because he's low.
Tim's got two S13s, so I've told him, please come in one. Please come in one. I hope he does. He told me I can do a video on one. He said to me, you can take the keys for the day and just do a video on it. But the only thing is, the app that I use to get short-term insurance when I'm doing car reviews, it won't let me insure anything older than 1990. So I am gonna have to find another way around it. But it's gotta happen, lads. Oh, this fucking thing. Let me have a go.
Crack on.
September. Dirty.
I've never seen it.
Dirty and wet.
I'll drive it in, mate. You open the gate, I'll drive it in.
You'll struggle, it's not easy.
Struggle. Got a McGann, mate.
That is way better in the body kit is incredible.
It's not got the body kit on it.
Fucking hell. Your own don't work, mate. MOT failure, that.
What?
MOT failure, this. Your own don't work. Mine works. I've got a video. Do you want to watch it?
Oh, yeah. Another one in here. Yeah. Oh.
Mate.
Body kit's up there for it.
Fucking hell.
It's, you know,
What the fuck is that exhaust? Is that scaffolding?
it is a scaffolding, but Skyline engine in it though.
Hang on. Yeah, go on. Let's see if it's...
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the definition of a straight pipe, that, isn't it? Fucking hell.
Fucking hell. hell's that? God, look at that thing. Oh, it's a beast. Oh my God. Oh, I want it. I want it. It is. It really is. Oh my God. What does it say? Anti-will device.
They are definitely going to be on the channel, both of them things. The white one I'm going to do a review on, 100%. And I'm going to go drifting with him when he gets that on.
Last time it's going in as a silver car. Last time you'll see it silver, Dan. On your baths, Tim?
What?
Is this where you've been out on your baths?
What's that painting? Apparently, literally, like apparently that's worth over £1,000.
Really?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's some Victorian bath for babies. I don't know.
Joke. I will get
Chrome.
chrome at my wheel nuts. Bright.
This is gonna be different. This car.
Fucking hell. It's going to be Insta famous. It will be.
It's gotta be.
I'm going to get loads of views with this
I
thumbnail.
don't think anyone's done
Yeah, I'm
it.
too fucking silly.
You can hand polish it.
You're a lucky boy, Tim.
I know.
You're a lucky boy.
I'm not.
It's MOT'd. Fuck it, let's go for a spin. Imagine. Oh, mate, that'd be so funny.
Get sent to jail some quick.
Well, why would you? It's MOT, isn't it? So.
Look at it.
I mean, there's no
Yeah,
headlight.
but oh yeah, because you can go, that's fucking dangerous. That's dangerous.
Yeah.
They're fucking. Look at that. They're dangerous.
Well,
If you run into someone with that,
oh, it's good, isn't it?
oh, it's fucking well nice.
This is gonna be a few months of this. It's not gonna be like a week like this.
Let's not touch that. That's oh no, it's not that one.
It's not that bad. It sounds insane though, doesn't it?
Oh, it sounds well.
It's the noise. It's like it just screams.
Oh, is it?
at you.
Is it on coilovers?
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite old.
4 grand he got this for. 4 fucking grand. Let me have a quick drive. Only around here. Until the video happens. Oh. Ooh. Mate, fucking hell, you sit far back, Jesus.
Yeah, I've got long legs.
Fucking hell.
I've got long legs.
You can move this seat, can you? I want to start it up. Don't start, I want to
Yeah,
start
you
it.
can move the seat. Got no petrol, I'll have to go get some more petrol.
What, this hasn't?
No, I need to go and get some. It's stupid, it uses so much.
Right.
I have to give it some accelerator and put, I'm not sure.
Excel, give it some
Give it
gas.
some gas. Give it some gas. Yeah,
Oh.
I know when it's cold, I don't know why.
Yeah, that is a low idle, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'd be scared of a set of lights.
Well, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, you still got all this. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? It's actually nice. It's actually nice though, like.
Do you mean, I know I've tried to keep it kind of civilised rather than just stupid. But
Right, I'm gonna put the camera down while I move this. I've got to be really careful. Oh.
Look at them two things. Yeah, that'd be good there. Thumbnail time. I want one, mate.
is that good? Yeah.
Oh, I want one. I need to get away from it, otherwise I'll be off in a sec. I'll be off in it. Fuck it, I'm going. Look at it.
I mean, this engine bay is not great yet, though, is it?
It's black.
It's just all black. Someone's just all spread out black.
See you later, girls. See you later. For another day. Another day.
What a day, lads. What a day. Wow, did I not expect that. I didn't know we had that second one. Yeah, so I'm going to pop back later on in the week to see how the Astra's getting on. But yes, we will be making proper videos on them S15s. The 15s, 13s, so on the S13s. That white S13, he actually had that since he was really young, and he's completely built it up himself. Mad car. Oh, mad. Literally. Yeah, and he's completely keeping the grey one as a drift car. He's basically taken all the panels off because he's a paint. Well, obviously he's a painter, but he's gonna respray it all. He's gonna sand it all back, and that's why all the panels are off the car. That's why it looks like a bit of a mess. But he's got all the bodywork in his shop. Oh my, and that's the guy I'm taking my spoiler to, the R26R spoiler. So that hopefully will be here this week. Hopefully. Editing this video now, lads. Of course, I forgot to end it out again, like I always do. I need to stop doing this, but I always think I'm going to record something else, but I end up not doing it. Anyway, I think the Astra will be ready like on Friday, but I'm away all weekend in the Isle of Man. So Dan very bravely is waiting until I get home on Monday. I won't be able to do that. Once I knew it was done, I'd be have to just go and get it. But that video will probably be around Tuesday, Wednesday time. I'm so excited. I can't wait to post a thumbnail. I can't wait. It's going to turn Instagram famous, that car. It definitely is. I can't even imagine what it's going to be like. But I'll see you all on Monday, Tuesday. I love you all. I'll see you next time.